Hi everybody and welcome back. I am helping out James, a frontliner of Toronto, with his head wheelset for his Linsky gravel bike. I need to take off this cassette first because I need to see what is happening on the freehub body. If you are riding on a very cold weather condition, sometimes the engagement stops and what happened, it looks like it's loose back and forth. So we need to see what is happening inside the freehub body, but I need to take this cassette off. Let's take this off. The freehub body freezes out on a very extreme cold weather riding condition. Alright, moving on. I need to take off this freehub body, but I need some spanners or cone wrenches to open them up. Counterclockwise, and then I'm going to use my hand to release them. Let's see what is happening on the freehub body. He said it's not engaging on extreme cold weather condition. Now I need to move the camera a little closer to the engagement point or the clicks. Look at that. Is it showing on the camera? Yeah. And look at the balls here. Now I need to check why it's not engaging. Now the spring on this one is a little tricky. The spring on this one is like a ring. It's right here. Right there. That's sticky. Notice that? I think from the production, this is not James' fault. This is from the production or from the manufacturer's side. You know, is that it's sticking. Boom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reinforce the grease with a good wet lube. Okay, cleanup time. Clean this up. There you are. Oops. Now I'm gonna use this and I put it on a different setup of bottle because I need this nozzle right there. Lubricate. This freehub body looks brand new to me. Okay, no grease yet, but I want to play with the spring and the claw. Play around with it multiple times. Showing progress. Good boy, board mechanic. There you go. Move it. I like to move it. Just kidding. There you go. There you go. Okay. Time for some grease. I have this Maxima Racing Oil waterproof grease. Because James is a bad boy rider when it comes to the cold weather riding condition. Bad boy, James. You a good boy? Of course you are. But you're a bad A. Bad A when it comes to gravel riding. Okay, let's move it again. Grease and wet lube. Let's see if they work together. Boom. Big bada boom. Big bada boom. Okay, more lube. I'm gonna check over on this hub shell. Seems clean to me, but there's the old grease. I'm gonna take those out, those old grease, and put my grease and my lube in it. Yeah, not too bad though. Okay, I'm gonna clean them up. Okay, let's get to the chopper. I'm just kidding. Take that off, take that off. Whoop. The sealers, the rubber piece. Put it back. There you go. Some good lube. Bike shop. Oh, in the bike shop, yeah. Boom. Diggy diggy dig. Bike shop. Oh, in the bike shop, yeah. Lube and grease. Grease. Okay, not too bad though. So I'm gonna put the freehub body back in the, the rear hub. Oh, you know what? Let's put some grease on the shaft or on the axle itself. Yeah, let's put it on. Okay, Park Tool wrenches will do the work for me. Thank you, Park Tool. You've been very nice to me. You've been very nice to board mechanic, Park Tools. There you go. Tight like a tiger. Are you a bad boy? Let's hear you. Nice. A touch up of wet lube. Wipe out the excess so it won't go on to the non-drive side. There you go. Boom. There you go. Final touches. There you go. What was that? Emporia Ga Performance wheelset by HED has a 25 mm internal and 30 mm external. The spokes is designed by Sapim Sprint. It's a good and robust spokes. And you noticed earlier, I opened them up. We have a chance to have a closer look. The freehub has 4 paws or claw. The price point on the wheelset, if you buy them here in Canada, it's 1,030 a pair, and it's your choice if you want it through axle, if you want an XG driver, microspline, or just a standard HG. Nice wheel set. Thank you for staying with me today. I will see you again next time. Please stay safe, be safe, and ride safe.